It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me.
Good afternoon, Westfield, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. A little bit of a different week, to say the least, and a little bit of a different assembly today. Nevertheless, we're all going to start together and we are going to come together as a community, whether you are in your classrooms or at home, to share our promise after 3. 1, 2, 3. We promise, we before me, encouraging to everyone, safe and respectful to all, the best that we can be, full of courage, inspired and inspiring to others, excellent in all we do, learning together, determined to succeed. And that core value of determination is something that we've all had to work to this week. May I take this opportunity, first of all, to thank each and every child that attends our school. You have done such a remarkable job in showing resilience and perseverance through a very, very challenging time. This time last week, the picture looked very different, and I'm really proud, children, of how you've responded. To those of you that have been in school, in key worker classes, and of course to each and every child that is working at home remotely, really well done. Thank you too to our brilliant parent community who have shared words of kindness and appreciation, who have shown their flexibility and understanding, and who have worked with us in collaboration as we've moved forward in this challenging week. And finally, and most importantly, may I pay tribute to my amazing team. Every single member of staff turned up last Monday. They wanted to be in school, wanted to work with your children, and I'm delighted with the offer that they have persevered with this week. So really well done to the team. And I think it's quite interesting that the pinging in the background is actually our dojo points that I can see happening live as I'm delivering this video to you. So I make no apology for that. That is about recognising the children's work and achievement. Really well done. So this week, because of the challenges we've been faced with and the timescales that we've been working to, we're not going to share Pupil of the Week in the same way. Instead, we are going to reflect together and look at the learning that has been happening in school and at home to just bring us all together for a moment this week. And of course, next Friday, we will revert to our usual celebration assembly. Now, we're also going to be inviting our key worker classes to take part in that, so that we are awarding a Pupil of the Week to every child who is working remotely at home. The opportunity is there for each and every one of you, and of course the key worker classes, and they have been very aptly named. So our early years key worker class will now be known as Owlet class. Our year 1 and 2 will be Macaw. Our year 3-4 key worker class will be Emu class. And our 5-6 class, and I must say all of the children have named their own classes, wanted to be known as Chicken class. I'll say no more, but obviously pupil voice really matters. So really well done to all of our staff and children for coming together and turning this around so quickly. I'm going to let you now sit back and watch our key learning come together and feel really proud of what we've achieved this week. Have a wonderful weekend, Westfield, and I look forward to seeing you at school, those of you that will be there next week, and of course watching closely your remote learning. Frazzle is also looking through those dojo accounts to see which child he is going to be awarding a Pawsome postcard for. Thank you, Westfield. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and look after one another. See you all soon.
The higher you build your barriers, the taller I become. The farther you take my rights away, the faster I will run. You can deny me, you can decide to turn your face away. No matter, 'cause there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it, though you're doing me wrong for wrong.
I will sing.
The louder I will sing.
You hide behind walls of Jericho.
Away, away, away.
My lives will come tumbling.
My lies will come tumbling. Deny my place in time. You squander love that's mine. Our life will shine so brightly it will blind you. 'Cause there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was done. Oh no. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. Brothers and sisters, when they insist we're just not good enough, when we're not good enough, when we know better, just look them in the eye and say, we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. Because there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong.
The higher you build your barriers, the taller I become. The farther you take my rights away, the faster I will run. You can deny me, you can decide to turn your face away. No matter, 'cause there's something inside so strong. I know that I can make it. Though you're doing me wrong, so wrong. You thought that my pride was gone. Oh no. Something inside so strong. Something inside so strong.
sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know.